Hi, do you want epic text like me? Well, first, highlight the text. Then, at the top, you will see an A with a rainbow. Click it. Then you'll see this side panel. It's pretty cool. You can add any color you want with this color wheel. Scroll on through it. Find a color you like. I'm gonna go with blue, this nice little blue. And there you go. But wait, there's more. If you highlight text specifically, you can change that specific text color. I'm gonna make it yellow because lemonade is yellow. Now, what if I want to do more? I can use the default colors. I'm going to use those because I'm lazy. I made the green. Now, I got like the best sentence ever. Sometimes the best lemonade is served warm. Sometimes my cat loves me. One time I ate a bug. I'm cool. I'm so cool. Okay, subscribe. Bye.